We are coloring a sperm whale today. Something a little different than we normally do. It is 5:20 on April 25th on a Friday. We have decided, or I have decided, to color my back pages of the coloring book cover and the actual front cover picture. And I'm going to showcase them for you here on YouTube. I decided a little late. As you see, I started the moon and some of the bubbles before I realized, hey, I could be putting this out online here so you can watch me. The reason I'm doing it versus the last book I had one of my daughters draw it or color it for me, all the pictures. She's had wrist surgery, and so her wrist is a little sore, so I'm not asking her to do it. And then all the other kids have busy lives and can't get things done, so I'm just gonna plug along and not showcase any talent, but I'm gonna let you see what the back covers are gonna look like before it comes out. So I don't know what order I'm going to do them in, but the first one is a sperm whale. It's going to be on the back cover and a thumbnail. If you're curious to what the cover resembles, you can look in my link. I've got my first coloring book for sale on Amazon, and you can view the covers on there. And if you scroll down the page, you can see what's inside the coloring book, some examples, which if you're watching the videos, you've seen all of them. The coloring is not my strength, as you will see. It's kind of pastel on this one. I'm doing 3 different mediums. I'm going to do the colored pencil, which I'm doing right now. The front page will probably be in alcohol marker, and I'm going to do good old Crayola crayons for one of the back covers, and then maybe I'll probably go ahead and do an alcohol one for the last, the third back cover. So we'll see how they turn out. I'm not totally disappointed in this one. It did take a lot longer to color it than to draw it, but I enjoyed it. It was fun thinking about what colors I wanted to use, and yeah. So at the very end of the video, you'll see the brand of the colored pencils I used. So here's my final coloring. Have a great day.